Hi there, wildlife enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the enchanting realm of camouflage as we unveil the five most invisible animal in the world. And first up, we have the leaf insect. Leaf insects are also known as walking leaves, are remarkable creatures that have perfected the art of blending in with their surrounding. What makes these insects so extraordinary is their uncanny resemblance to actual leaves. From the vein-like pattern to the leafy edges, their intricate camouflage is a marvel of evolutionary adaptation. The life cycle of a leaf insect is equally from fascinating, from egg to nymph and finally to adult. They undergo several molds to reach their leaf mimicking form. This incredible insect take mimicry to a whole new level, resembling leaves so closely that they practically disappear in the midst of foliage. Nature owns living leaves. Number 2. Oak leaf butterfly. Next on our list we have the oak leaf butterfly, scientifically known as Kallima inachus, is a species native to Southeast Asia, renowned for its exceptional camouflage. This butterfly was evolved to mimic the appearance of a dead leaf, fooling both predator and curious observer. The oak leaf butterfly's wings are adorned with intricate pattern that closely resemble the veins and discoloration found on a dried oak leaf. When the butterfly closes its wing, it's transformed into a nearly perfect imitation to a lifeless leaf. This butterfly elegantly hides itself among the branches, creating a mesmerizing display of camouflage. Number 3. Mossy leaf tail gecko. Now let's venture into the world of reptile with the mossy leaf tail gecko, also known as Araptolatos sicoran, a fascinating creature native to Madagascar. Its body covered in moss-like scales and its tail mimics a dead leaf, making it nearly indistinguishable from the tree bark where it resides during the day. These geckos find shelters on tree branches, perfectly aligning their body with their bark to avoid detection by predator. As night falls, they become active, using their excellent night vision to hunt for insects and other small prey. The mossy leaf tail gecko life cycle is intriguing as its appearance. From egg to hatching and then adulthood, each stage plays a crucial role in the survival of this remarkable reptile. Females often lay their eggs on tree branches, ensuring the young geckos have a safe start in life. This master of disguise perfectly imitates the texture and color of moss covered bark, making it virtually indistinguishable from its surrounding. Number 4. Leptocephalus. Diving into the depth, our fourth invisible marble is the Leptocephalus, is a unique and transparent larval form of eels found in the open ocean. Its nearly invisible appearance is an incredible adaptation that helps it avoid predator and navigate the expansive ocean currents. This transparent and ribbon-like larval form of eels is so discreet in the open ocean that it's often overlooked despite its remarkable adaptation for survival. The journey of the Leptocephalus begins as tiny, transparent larvae hatching from eel eggs. As they drift with ocean currents, these larvae undergo a fascinating metamorphosis, transforming in the eels we are more familiar with as they approach coastal areas. Leptocephala's are predominantly found in open ocean, far from coastal region. Their transparency not only aid in avoiding predator but also makes them less conspicuous to potential prey. Number 5. Octopi. And finally, we submerge ourselves in the mysterious world of the octopi, an intriguing family of octopuses known for its exceptional camouflage abilities and remarkable intelligence. These creatures are the shapeshifter of the ocean, blendingly seamlessly with their surrounding. Octopi are the true master of deception, capable of changing not only their color but also their texture, allowing them to mimic various elements of their environment. Octopi employ a variety of hunting techniques, from using their tentacles to explore creative and capture prey to employing strategic patience and stealth. The life cycle of octopi is as intriguing as their behavior. After an intricate courtship ritual, females lay eggs and guard them until they hatch. Once hatched, the tiny octopus undergoes a remarkable journey of growth and development. These highly intelligent cephalopods are expert at changing color and texture, allowing them to seamlessly blend into the diverse landscape of the ocean floor. There you have it, folks, the 5 most invisible animals in the world, each showcasing Mother Nature's incredible talent for concealment. Which one amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy this journey into the unseen, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, stay wild and stay tuned for more amazing wildlife wonder. Allah Hafiz.